Good morning. I am Mrs. J. Priyanka, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Costume Design and Fashion. Today we are going to see about parts of a sewing machine and their functions. First of all, we are going to see about the basic structures of the sewing machine is the same, whether it is hand operated sewing machines, thread sewing machines or electrical sewing machines. The basic parts of the sewing machines are listed below. This is the images of sewing machine. The first one is the spool pin. It is fitted on top of the arm to hold the reel. And then second one is the thread guide. It holds the thread in position from the spool to the needle. So that is called thread guide. The third one is the tension disc. This is very important part in the sewing machines, because the two concave discs put together with the convex sides facing each other. The thread passes between the two. The tension of the thread is adjusted by a spring and a nut, which increases or decreases pressure. So that is called tension disc. And then the fourth one is take up lever. It is the lever fitted to the body of the arm. So it up and down motion feeds thread to the needle and tighten the loop formed by the shuttle. And then sixth one is the needle bar. This is a steel rod to hold the needle at one end with the help of a clamp. The main function is to give motion to the needle. So the needle bar made up of the steel because it is called the needle. And then bobbin case. This moves into the position to catch the top thread and form the stitches as the needle is lowered into the bobbin chamber. And then pressure foot. It is fixed to the pressure bar to hold the cloth firmly in position when lowered or upward. Another one is the pressure foot lifter. It is helps to handle the pressure foot. A lever attached to the pressure bar for rising and lowering the pressure foot. Stitch regulator. It is very important and plays an important role in the sewing machines. It helps to increase or decreases the stitches length. So it controls the length of the stitches. After that, bobbin winder. The simple mechanism, but it is very useful and also used for winding thread on the bobbin. Flywheel, which this is made to revolve. It works the mechanisms of the motion. Clutch or thumb screw. This is in the center of the wheel and it encased and disengaged the stitching mechanism. And then slide plate, the rectangular plate which facilitate the removal of the bobbin case without lifting the machine. The needle plate or throat plate, the semicircular disc with a hole to allow the needle to pass through it. And then feed dock, it is essential to maintain the unmovable of the cloth. So this consists of a set of teeth fitted below the needle plate. It helps to remove the cloth forward while sewing and also helps to move the cloth forward while sewing. And then face plate, the cover which on removable gives access to the oil point and the needle bar, the pressure bar and a take up lever. These are set included in each other. And then spool pin for bobbin winder. The spool of thread is placed on this at the time of bobbin winding. Thank you for watching.